and then we made the phenomenal afang soup. Today we're going to be making Edikaikong soup. Now, afang and Edikaikong soup are soups that are particular to the Efiks and the Ibibios of the southern part of Nigeria. If you missed my afang recipe last week, please make sure you watch it right after this. The link is going to be somewhere. Make sure you watch it right after this video. Now, Edikaikong soup is a soup that is very rich in vitamins and minerals. Helps to replace blood if you have shortage of blood. You know, we have people who are recuperating after an illness or a surgery, and then the doctor says they should eat food that is rich in vitamins and minerals. They should eat a lot of vegetables. At that point, afang and Edikaikong particularly comes to mind. Yes, afang and Edikaikong, and even eforiro. I have made eforiro sometime in the past. You have to go through my videos to find that as well. Now, these soups come to mind because they are made from green leafy vegetables, which are very rich in protein, in vitamins, and in minerals. Now, I'm going to be making my Edikaikong today with chicken and turkey, but Edikaikong is best enjoyed with red beef and meat offals. It's made from ugu, water leaf, dried fish, some periwinkles, and of course, red beef and meat offals. I'm going to be making mine today with chicken and turkey because this is a client's order and the client actually requested that I use chicken and turkey. So before we start cooking, remember to subscribe if you haven't. If you have, turn on your notifications. If you have done this, make sure to tell somebody to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, let's start cooking. To make our Edikaikong soup today, I'm going to be making use of some dried prawns, my favorite dry fish, stockfish, stock, yellow pepper and crayfish already blended, some roughly chopped scotch bonnet pepper, salt and seasoning cubes, palm oil, periwinkle deshelled, water leaf, some ugu, and of course I have pre-boiled chicken and some pomo here. So we have our meat stock here. Remember, I already pre-boiled my protein, my chicken. So to this meat stock, I'm going to be adding my washed stockfish, dried fish, and smoked prawns. So if you didn't pre-boil your meat like me, you're just going to add all this to your beef and allow beef, goat meat, whatever protein, and allow to cook. But since I already have pre-boiled meat, I'm just going to boil this for like 5 minutes before I come to add my meat. So let's allow this to boil for like 5 minutes. So now we're going to be adding our meat to the contents of the pot. We're going to add palm oil. Edikaikong soup needs a very generous quantity of palm oil. And be sure to use very fine looking palm oil. Don't use those dark, looking palm oil. Your soup won't come out looking fine. So I have here blended yellow pepper and crayfish. And then also scotch bonnet pepper. Now you can skip the scotch bonnet pepper if you don't like your food spicy. I like mine a little bit spicy. We're not going to stir, we're just going to cover this and allow to cook for like 10 minutes. Here, we're going to be adding in our washed water leaf now. Give this a little mix. So we're going to cover and allow this water leaf to wilt for like 3 to 5 minutes, after which we'll add seasoning and our ugu. Edikaikong is really that simple. Okay. Our soup is taking shape. So at this point, we're going to be adding seasoning cubes to your taste. I like to say to your taste and salt, because some people will say, how many cubes am I supposed to put? It is to your taste actually, because some people eat a lot of seasoning, others don't. Then we are going to add our ugu. So we're going to stir, to bring our seasoning cubes, our ingredients, mix the vegetable, the ugu vegetable and the water leaf together. We're going to give this a good mix. So yes, we've just added our periwinkle. Yeah, so it's just 8 o'clock by my time and my client's order is ready. Chef Ochi delivers pronto, very promptly. All you need to do is just give me 24 hours notice, and even if you want yours to deliver at 7 a.m, we will deliver. Yeah, so here we have our yummy bowl of Edikaikong soup. You can enjoy this with whatever swallow of your choice, semo, wheat, pounded yam, eba, whatever at all. This is a bowl of yummy, nutritious, delicious goodness. Thank you for following our recipe today. Thank you for always following our recipe. As always, I remain your girl, Chef Ochi. Do well to try out your recipe and let me know how it went. Until next time, see you again on Ochi Sports YouTube channel. Take care. Bye.